team. So I'll start with North Carolina Cyclones. Big applause for them. They put in all their efforts. No effort is less or more, but you all put equal efforts. Bad luck this time, but better luck next time. You've learned a lot. So good job, North Carolina Cyclones. Position number 5 is DC Titans. All the way from DC, there's the red team. All right, big applause for them. Good efforts, girls. And then we have on the 4th position, Blazers from Bay Area. Come on, be proud of yourselves. Good job. Number 4 is, that's number 4. Number 3 is Texas Legends from Houston. Okay, I'm going to stop right there and do the rest of the stuff before I get back to you. Again, I'm going to thank all our sponsors. Thank all sponsors, as in the franchise owners also. All the umpires. Without the umpires, this wouldn't have been easy. Congratulations to the umpires. Thanks for your support. All right. And then we have all the volunteers. Thank you for your support. One big name is all the coaches. Without the coaches, this wouldn't have been possible. So thank you, coaches. All right, so we've had fantastic games. We've had 7 games per team. This is the first time in any tournament I think we've had 7 games per team. So you guys have really worked hard for the 4 days. Congratulations to all of you. All right, moving on to the awards. I know you're all waiting for that. So I'm going to start from some of the awards which were not given out in the league stages. So I'm going to go for first the player of the match. That was Blazers versus Texas Legends. That is Meghana Maisha from Blazers. Hello. Come on, guys, round of applause. Congratulations. And we have, so that was the only one from the league stages. We'll go with the 5th position today, 5th position match today, which was between the DC Titans and the North Carolina Cyclones. Goes to Trilini Dawn. She took 3 wickets and she is the player of the match. All right, I'm going to call in Tanvi. Tanvi, can you come forward? So we have one of our sponsors, which is a company called Object Win. Object Win is a Houston-based IT company providing job services to all in ITs. They've been there for 28 years. We have the CEO and the executive managing partner here. That's Sean and Uma. So thank you for supporting us. This is Tanvi, who also works for Object Win. And Tanvi, if you can give the award out for the player of the match for the 3rd position game, Lasya Bandaru from Houston, Texas Legends. Congratulations, Lasya. Thank you. Thanks, Tanvi. All right, we had some special awards in this tournament, which was for the best fielders per game. Per game, we were all observing the umpires, your coaches, myself. We all went through this. Some of you already have received your awards in the past 3 days, so congratulations to all of you. All right, and some of them we were still waiting to give them out because they were busy or they had already left. So let me start with Tanisha Sen from Texas Legends. Manju, can you please come forward? Manju is the owner of Texas Legends. So Tanisha, you're very lucky that you have your Texas Legends owner giving you your medal. Tanisha is the youngest player of this tournament, guys. One more time for Tanisha. The next one is another very young player, again from Texas Legends, that goes to Tara Arun Kumar. Manju. Go in the middle, Tara. Tara, go middle, behind. Behind.
Congratulations. Proud of you.
From Blazers, we have 2 awards for league game. Hasini Kohli for her best fielding. Coach, Blazers coach, Clint.
Am I supposed to hang her with this?
Yes, hang her with it.
Come on, guys. Stay there, Clint, stay there. And for one more game, Blazers, which just happened, goes to Akshara Anand. I thought the coach is keeping the Starbucks card in his pocket.
I can't do Starbucks.
Congratulations, Akshi. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, and we have one more, I think the last one, which goes to Sahiti Mohula from DC Titans. Sahiti, are you here? Okay, all DC Titans left? Oh, okay. That's fine. Okay, we'll move on to our, which you guys are patiently waiting here for. So we have the finalists. Right, we had our final game. Southern Strikers versus MSC Hurricanes. Big round of applause for both the teams for making it to the finals. I will invite Uma Chidambaram to give away the prizes. We'll start with the runner-ups team first, and that is MSC Hurricanes. If you can line up for your trophies. Big round of applause for MSC Hurricanes. Keep giving each one of them. Yeah. So you keep lining up. Stay here. Just line up, okay? Don't go away. All right, keep rolling, guys. Keep rolling. Aparna Gurumurthy. Brooke Shears. Brooke was wanting to take her trophy by herself. All right, next is Simran Manhas. Come on, I can't do upper claps. Thank you. Stand, line up here. Then we have Latika Reddy from Houston. We have Sasha Gola, wicketkeeper mother from Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, I see Southern Strikers clapping for her. Woo. All right, we have Tia Chaudhary from Houston. Danya from Atlanta, Georgia. Very good, girls. Keep it rolling. Amrita Konda Reddy from Dallas. These flies are killing me. Vaishnavi from New Jersey. This girl, she gets an extra applause. She's the only one who took a fifer. All right, Amrita Awaya from all the way from California. Congratulations. And last but not least, Rio Nadkarni from Houston. And I would like to invite the coach, owner and manager. Manager Prosi Nadkarni. And the owner. Prosi Nadkarni is also my big support, my big volunteer. Always ready to help everybody. Big applause for Prosi Nadkarni. And we have Coach Nadkarni, Sushil Nadkarni, ex-captain of the USA. Owner of MSC Hurricanes. Coach, I have to say a few words with you. Because when we did the live. Alright, so Coach, you have been part of cricket all your life, your passion, everything, and now this tournament, what are your thoughts on this tournament?
No, I think first of all, congratulations to everybody here. it did take a lot of effort for all of you to stay the course over the 4 days, and I was very happy to see all the players in action. It's not easy to put this tournament together, so first of all, let's give a round of applause to Mithali and the volunteer team, and also Mangesh and PVCC for the beautiful facilities that you all got to play here. There are a lot of people working behind the scenes to get these grounds ready for you all. I thought this was a great tournament. It's one of the tournaments which can be a stepping stone for all the players here to continue their development moving forward. I think girls cricket and women's cricket by itself is progressing really fast. There's a tremendous amount of opportunities being provided to all the players in different age categories, including the national tournaments. And these kind of tournaments I feel are really good, because now you're experiencing the franchise model as well, and getting to interact with players that you've never seen before, coaches and management that you haven't experienced before. So you're only going to grow as a player. So again, congratulations to everyone, and thanks for having MSCA out here. We really loved it.
Thank you, coach. Thank you, coach. Those are the words of wisdom there, guys. That's a lot of experience talking there. Please follow, please listen, please improve your game more and more. Congratulations, MSC Hurricanes. Let's take your trophy to the captain and the coach. Coach and captain, come forward. Okay, Aparna. All right, captain and vice captain, Jivana and Aparna. All right, all the girls join them. Come on. Quick. You can come on. Thank you. Thank you, Amma, for that. Come on, MSC Hurricanes. You know how to do. Ha ha ha. You're missing Ganesh.
Where's the cup?
Lift the cup. Yeah! Just lift it.
Go for it, girls. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Yeah. Thank you, MSC Hurricanes. Congratulations again. All right, we still have to wait. I don't know what to do with your Tom Jerry. Okay, y'all need to wait a little bit more. We're not done here. So we're going to give out the tournament awards, right? Before we can, so the champions can enjoy and rejoice the last moment of this tournament. Okay, we'll start with the best batter. That goes to Pooja Ganesh of MSCA Hurricanes for 244 runs in 6 games. She's missing here today. Pranati Nadkarni, can you take your Pooja Ganesh's tournament award? Alright, we have coaches here, right? Danish is here? Danish is gone? Okay, then can one of the owners come from Texas Legends? Manju is already done. Oh, Manju is already, okay.
Come on, quickly.
Someone?
Even I was not shy. Didn't do any makeup today.
Alright, we have Texas Legends, we have Arvind. Come on. Okay, can you give away the best bowler? Any guesses on the best bowler? Mehak Desai with 11 wickets. 11 wickets, Mehak Desai. Congratulations, Mehak. Great job, Mehak. We're really proud of you because Mehak came to play last tournament also. She was a finalist in the last tournament for the opposite team, but I can see the improvement leaps and bounds. Great job, Mehak. We're really proud of you. Houston Open is proud of you. Very proud to have you on this tournament. Alright, let's move on to the best fielder. And let me see, Coach Clint, are you still there? Come on and give the best fielder. This is my favorite award always, and I was hoping it goes to a little girl here, but she is little girl who is very quiet, just does her job, doesn't talk much, keeps handling her business. She got her team to the finals today. Jessica W. Jessica got. So she took all over. She took 7 catches and 1 direct run out. That's Jessica W. Alright, we have a Best Fielder Award, and that was a pretty surprise for me. This is an absolutely brand new wicket keeper. That team has already left here, and that's Sanvi Tanguturi from DC Titans. I don't think they have a representative here, but we'll send it over to them. So, where is it? They all left. Yeah, they left. So no worries. Congratulations, Sanvi. Keep working hard. And in this big tournament, you made it as a wicket keeper. Great job done. All right, moving on to the best. Now let's go on to our champions of. Should we do that or player of the match? Sorry, player of the match for today. Again, the person who doesn't talk much, Jessica W. Yep. I think I've missed 2 fielder awards, so I'll have Meghna. Can you come in? So I missed 2 fielder awards. I'm sorry about that. One is Dania from MSCA. Hello. That was a brilliant catch against the second afternoon game yesterday against Texas Legends. Beautiful. Thank you. Congratulations. And I think for today's finals game, oh my God, this girl is just, I don't know what to say about her. She is a live wire, Disha Kavaripakkam.
I know you are.
Okay, Okay, I'll invite Sean now. Sean, please. Sean is the CEO and founder of Object Wheel. Yeah. So we'll give the most valuable player of the tournament. Any guesses? That's right, Meg Desai. She got 11 wickets. She got 238 runs. And she got 2 runouts. Congratulations. All right. I know this is what the champions have been waiting for. So let's call them Southern Strikers champions of 2025. Yusin O'Brien, Jessica, and coach. Where is Coach Suresh?
One by one, give them the trophy or this one?
No, this first. First each individual. Yeah. You can go this way.
Line up, please, line up. Aditi Praveen.
Yeah. Where is the ball? What do you do with the ball?
Not here. They won't announce the names.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So Jessica, Aditi, Diya Prashant, Disha Kavaripakkam, Sahana Shivkumar, Neha Alapatti, Sanvi Janya, St. Louis, Missouri, Simran Bogle, California, Cynthia Kapuri, Austin, Texas, Sasha all the way from Florida, Yash Aditi, Yash Aditi, I call her Yash, so I'm stopping there, California, Shreya Arora, Dallas, Texas, and the last but not the least, Meg Desai. Alright, that's Southern Strikers. Before I go and coach Suresh, I forgot, there should be one for Prashant also. And for Padma, please come. How can you forget? I don't want to fight with her. Padma, manager of Southern Strikers. penalty. No, not yet, not yet. The ball किधर गया? From the ball. Did you give one? No. Yeah, that late only. उसके अंदर ही है ना. But I wrote on it. What bunny?
So I want the cage. The new ball. What are you gonna do with them? This feels good to take.
Yeah. All right. Another special award which I definitely wanted to give because this is so important in a match. In a match, if you have a small score or a big score, doesn't matter. But if a bowler can consistently bowl dot balls all over the tournament, that deserves a clap. And that goes to Aditi Praveen. So this is a match ball. Maximum dot balls in the hole. So she has the best economy. Congrats, Aditi. All right. Captain, vice captain, coach, owner, please come and take your trophy. 7 strikers. Come on, come on. All right, big round of applause for 7 strikers. Champion of the 2025. Come on, team, come join them. Thank you, Sean. Sean, we would like you to say a few words of encouragement for all our graduates who are going to college and stuff. Uma, can you say a few words to all of them? Come here.
Stand here?
Yeah, as close as possible to the camera. Oh, so here. So,
You go on the other side.
on the other side?
And come closer.
Congratulations to all those who courageously played. Playing is so difficult, winning is even more harder. So congratulations to all of those who showed up here, played, put their best efforts forward. I mean, somebody like me can't even imagine running around here, but you guys really did very well. So congratulations, keep up, and we wish to see more and more games and sponsor more games for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I need a picture of both the teams together. I need a picture.
Just get over here. Guys, go back to the chest. Get over there.
Go, 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 go.
Vitali, can we join?
Yes.
I'll catch up with you.
Do you want to eat? No, we are good. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sean.
Good job.
Yeah, thank you.
You worked so hard to put all this together. We're going to buy you lunch.
Unless you want to.
All right, one more time. Good job, girls. We are at the end of our tournament, and that is both the teams.